Hi, I'm Renee McGivern. My company is Sparkplug Consulting, and I'm based in St. Paul, Minnesota. I provide communication and training design consultation to small businesses and trade associations. When people ask me where I get photos for brochures, websites, PowerPoint presentations, and the like, I tell them about this site, iStockPhoto.com. There are thousands of really great photos on this site that you can download once and then use again and again. I like this service because it's easy to use, affordable, and doesn't require any long-term contracts. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you want to download one photo for a brochure. So this is the iStockPhoto.com homepage, and the only thing that's initially required is that you join the iStock Photo community before you can peruse the photos. But don't worry, you won't start getting a bunch of spam emails. It's free, and there's no obligation. You just click here to sign up. Now, I'm already a member, so what I do is I log in here, as you will when you become a member. You click log in one more time, and then that finally brings you to the member homepage where you can begin to search for what it is you want. Let's say that you want a photo depicting teamwork for your brochure. You simply type teamwork in the search box here. You know you want a photo. You want it searching through all of its photos. You don't want an illustration or flash, video or audio files. And you click search. It's really important to know what it is you're looking for before you come in here. There are 55,000 results, potential photos for you to choose from for a brochure just on the word teamwork alone. So that's why it's really important to be clear about what it is you're looking for. In this case, in looking at just this page, gosh, maybe you're happy with this one. The canoe team. Yeah, you like that. That could look really great on your brochure. All you need to do is double click, and you come up to an order page. What's great is that this image comes in extra small to large sizes. And quite honestly, in the 3 to 4 years I've been using this, extra small and small are usually just fine. Extra small is 425 by 282 pixels, and the largest is 3,456 by 2,300 pixels. Quite a difference in size. Each photo then is given a credit size as well. The extra small is free, which is nice, that you do find that occasionally on here. The small size is worth 5 credits. The largest 15 credits. So this leads us to the second part of iStock Photo that you need to know, and that is how to buy photos and then download them. And it's really easy. You can deposit money with iStock Photo and then simply spend down the account as you download each image. You can do a pay-as-you-go contract. If even, it's just paying as you go and buy credits. So I click on buy credits, the pay-as-you-go plan right here. And here are the options. You could buy 12 credits for $18.25, all the way to buying 2,000 credits for $1,900. And then you click buy now. It'll ask for your credit card number, and you'll be all set. And once you've paid for it, it will actually shoot you right back to your image page, just right here. Now, since this extra small is free, I'm going to download it. All you do is land on what it is that you want to download here, highlight it, click download, and up it comes. There's an agreement. The agreement essentially is asking you to use it only for your print materials and not to resell the images that you're downloading. Here it comes. Okay, I now have it on my desktop. So you can buy multiple photos at any one sitting or just one at a time. I think it's a fantastic service. And over, the 3 to 4 years I've been using it, I probably have now stored up some 100 photos that over time I've been able to use again and again. So, iStockPhoto.com, I highly recommend it. I've been very satisfied with it. This is Renee McGivern with Sparkplug Consulting.